Hi, this is Joe from Unger. I'm here to show you the Rinse and Go Spotless car wash system. It's designed to ensure that you get a spot-free finish every time without any need for hand drying your vehicle. I'm going to show you the features of the product, what comes with it, and then we're going to go ahead and use it and show you how the results look. The Rinse and Go product comes with the unit itself, the TDS meter, the 8-foot input hose, a resin bag, and the soap blasting nozzle. So I've taken the unit out of the box and I've set it up. So I've got my 8-foot hose that I've attached to the side of my house, which goes in the bottom of the unit for the input. The water runs up basically through the unit and the resin bag and then out. I've attached a standard garden hose on the output side, and then I've gone ahead and attached my soap blasting nozzle. Alright folks, we're going to go ahead and wash the car. Going to soap it up. All right, we got it pretty much set. Now we're going to go ahead and use our Rinse and Go for a spot-free finish. Take the soap dispenser and take it out of soap mode. Go into rinse mode. Very important when you're doing this, make sure you get all the soap out of the little cracks and nooks and crannies, like your gas cap cover usually traps a little bit of soap in there. You want to make sure you get that out of there, because that's the kind of stuff that'll leave streaks and spots once the car dries. And with the gun, you also have multiple options for spray patterns, so if you prefer to really go in there with a more aggressive spray pattern to get those last little bits of soap that are accumulating, you can do that as well. The car is washed and rinsed. No need to hand dry. Just walk away and let the car dry for a spot-free finish. Okay, now that we've washed and rinsed our car, it's time to put the product away. Please be sure to put the sealing caps on the input and output to ensure that the resin remains moist inside the unit, and store it in a cool, dry place. And once again, we at Unger would really like to thank you for purchasing the product.